Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole. If you're new, welcome to DoDreamOn, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today I was going over a few things with one of my friends, and what I did was I showed her how she can screenshot her mock t-shirts or mock whatever you want on Cricut. She did not know how, so I showed her how. And then I thought, maybe a lot of people don't know how. So I'm going to show you two quick Cricut tips. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new. No, I'm sorry. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to templates. And then I'm going to go to a classic t-shirt. And then now we have this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the full grid by going to settings, and then I'm going to go to no grid. Press done. Okay, now it looks like a t-shirt, and you can use this for a mock shirt. My friend has stated one of her clients wanted to see what she had so far, and she didn't know how to save it from Cricut. So I'm going to show you how you can screenshot it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put love, because we all need so much of that, especially what's going on right now. So we're going to put love, and we're going to make it this fuchsia type color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it like I'm putting it on a shirt. And just for the fun of it, I'm going to flatten it just for fun. And now I'm going to press, I'm working on a Mac. So if you have a PC, you would have to see how you would screenshot that. But for a Mac, I'm going to press Command Shift 4. You see how this came up? I'm going to take this and drag it, and this now has created a screenshot. It goes down to the bottom of the screen. Now it's simple. Now you have a mock-up shirt of love. So whatever you're making, you can do mock-ups. Now, of course, you can buy mock-ups from Etsy or wherever you buy them from. That's where I buy mine from. But just so that you can take a screenshot of what you're creating inside of the Cricut design space, inside of the Cricut design space, that's how you would do it. Then you can save it to your desktop, you can airdrop it to your phone, whatever. But that's how you do it. So I'm going to go over it one more time. And what you do is it's going to automatically, typically, it'll be under full grid. So you make whatever you're going to make, see the size measurements, etc., etc. And then what you do is you go to settings, you go to no grid, done. Now it looks like a regular shirt. You press on a MacBook, Command Shift 4, all at the exact same time. And now you click it. It's going to make a nice little noise like it's taking a picture because it's a screenshot. And now there you go. Okay, if you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. I hope that helped. It really seemed to help my friend. She had no idea, and she had actually been working with Cricut longer than I had. So I'm so happy I was able to help her. Hopefully I was able to help you. And that's all, you guys. Be safe out there. I am praying for our country and our world. It is a lot going on. So be safe out there, and sending you so much love to you and your families. Thanks. Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.